This easy homemade cherry pie is a favorite in our family. It's incredibly quick and easy to make, and the taste will surprise you. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel. My name is Annie and let's start. For this cherry pie we need Filo pastry, unsalted butter, sour cherries, heavy cream, 2 eggs, granulated sugar and vanilla extract. First prepare your baking dish. I'm using 18 cm diameter baking ring lined with the foil and I just grease it with the butter. Take 2 Filo pastry sheets and lightly brush them with melted unsalted butter. Fold it like that, roll it and place into a prepared cake pan or baking ring. Keep doing the same with all Filo pastry sheets. Brush with butter 2 pastry sheets, roll them and place in a baking ring. For 18 cm diameter baking ring, we need about 12 Filo pastry sheets. Put sour cherries on top. I'm using frozen cherries. In spare bowl combine eggs, heavy cream, sugar and vanilla extract, whisk it. Pour the mixture into a baking ring. Bake it in a preheated oven to 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Then dust with icing sugar. And the pie is ready. Enjoy every bite of it.